I'm going to present some facts about a type of plant-based packaging. Cadbury is using it to wrap its new vegan chocolate bar. Will this new packaging be better for the environment? Here is a similar bar with conventional plastic packaging. The wrappers look and feel identical. When you look at the back of the vegan bar, it says wrapped in 100% plant-based packaging. The small print underneath reads plastic biocontent allocated via mass balance. Then there's a logo saying ISCC, and underneath there is the word mix. So what does all of this mean, and what should shoppers look out for? Mix means that some of the plastic in the packaging comes from plants, but that it is mixed with conventional plastic made from oil. To make more sustainable chemicals and plastics, companies are substituting vegetable oils or waste oils from the food or forestry industry for oil and gas. A small percentage of these plant-based oils are fed to the first part of the process, which forms the plastic. The mixed plastic pellets are made into film or bottles for packaging. Some goes to Cadbury for its vegan bars. The rest goes to other companies. Cadbury can say that their packaging is 100% plant-based because all of the plant-derived raw material, called biocontent, is allocated to them by the manufacturer, despite it being distributed across different products. This is what the phrase plastic biocontent allocated via mass balance means. The logo ISCC belongs to a certification scheme. Auditors authorised by ISCC have verified the claims on the back of the packet. They also check that the raw materials used for the plant-based packaging are sustainably produced without causing deforestation or harming protected land. But is this material better for the environment? It's just like conventional plastic, so it doesn't degrade easily and it can't be composted, but it can be recycled. But it is the first step on the way to making plastic from materials other than oil. So plant-based plastics are better for the environment. They save greenhouse gases, providing that the raw materials are produced sustainably. Look out for the ISCC logo or logos from other sustainability schemes to make sure that you are helping to protect the environment with your next purchase.